Twisted Mafia here. This is a first gen Ram known as the D150. This one here is a V6. Has a nice backstory to it. Truck was an Indiana truck. It's now in Florida. It used to be a real Mopar service truck. It was red when we first had it. If it's possible, I'll put a picture up top here somewhere what it originally looked like. On the back it still says Berkeley's Chrysler. Where it was originally from. The doors used to say Berkeley's Chrysler Mopar Service with a Mopar emblem on the side of the truck. It doesn't have that anymore, so I had to repaint it to bring it into a car show because they didn't like the patina look. So right now it's flat black. It's going to stay flat black. You know, cheap, easy paint job to fix. So I just keep a rattle can inside the truck. It's got the green headlight tint. It's not just for show, it serves a purpose. These lights are like torches at night. The green actually cuts through and where I can see the road at night. So it's getting more modifications as it goes. It's getting a roof visor up here, which I have. But overall, it's a really good truck. Pushing 200,000 miles on a V6 that's been well maintained all its life. So, but we'll obviously give you updates as more things go on. We'll give you once more of, inside the bed here. The bed's going to get bed linered. Right now it just has the mat that came with the truck. But for an Indiana truck, considering that that's really all the rust you have in that corner and a little bit here, that's surprising. Inside the truck's really nice, non-cracked dash. Really clean truck. It's got service records that go way back from the guy that originally had it, which I have to find. And yeah, you can see on the odometer, if you can see, that it's pushing 200,000 miles. But obviously it's dirty, it's still a work truck. I'm not making this a payment princess or a fucking road, queen. It's trailer queen, I mean. She might not be the fastest thing in the world, but it gets the job done, and it's got a lot of hauling power for a little V6.
You want to start it up?
Yeah. For an almost 30-year-old truck, it runs and drives really well. Sounds good still. And my hood light still works.